Hey traders, quick update on Polygon. Binance has announced that it will temporarily suspend Polygon deposits and withdrawals on May 21st starting at 1300 UTC due to a major network upgrade and hard fork. The upgrade is expected to happen around 1400 UTC at block height 87,821,600. Now, the important part, trading on the Polygon network will continue as normal during this period, and Binance confirmed that all technical requirements will be handled by their team. Deposits and withdrawals will reopen once the network becomes stable again. At the same time, Polygon has dropped nearly 9% this week and is currently trading around 89 cents per token. However, the 24-hour trading volume is still showing strong activity even with the recent pullback. So the big question is this the beginning of the next bullish momentum? Or is this just another bull trap? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And before we jump into the full analysis, we've already shared our latest Polygon price prediction, key support zones, and upside targets on our Patreon page. You can start with the tester plan for just $10. The link is in the description and comments. All right, now let's get into the analysis. And as always, this is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research before investing. Fire!